I must admit that sometimes I fall short in responding to my needs or to the needs of others. Kunwari po, nasa isip ko ng mag-exercise ako pero mamaya ayaw ko na. At this moment, I would like to do this particular project. Later on, iba ang gagawin ko. I have something in mind to order. Kunyari, kami ay nasa isang kainan, pero mamaya mag-iiba yan. But I am trying my best to stand on solid ground what I plan and think about, to mean what I say, and to be firm with, at least with what I profess. Isa po siguro sa mga gusto nating karakter ng tao ay ang isang tao na hindi lang may prinsipyo, kundi may paninindigan. Yes, he know what is right, what is good, what is beautiful for a particular person or thing, but he knows as well how to handle it. Hindi yung alam lang ano ang prinsipyo, pero mamaya babaliktad sa kanyang pinaniniwalaan at marahil tinatawag nating mga pinanghahawakan. In our gospel today, the Lord Himself was reminding the people around Him during the Sermon on the Mount to mean yes and to mean no. And to all of us now, to mean our yes and to mean our no. Hindi lang tayo tinutulungan ni Jesus na tumugon ng oo o hindi, pero makita na yung oo natin, oo. Yung ayaw natin, ayaw natin. If we are to think of an example, we offer this Mass in honor of the Blessed Virgin Mary. And Mary is just one example. Let us remember na hindi naman nangyari sa kanyang buhay na tumugon siya sa anghel upang maging ina ng Diyos. Pero mamaya iniwan naman niya o tinalikuran niya yung pagiging ina kay Jesus at pagiging asawa kay San Jose. But her response was seen in her action. She mean what she responded. Her yes was plainly seen what she lived. And my dear brothers and sisters, let this be an inspiration for us, that what we have responded, we may also have the courage to live. Again, the Lord is not asking us not only to say yes or no, but to see in our lives what we have responded. Humindi tayo sa tukso, kaya dadaling tayo sa kabutihang mga karanasan. Umuo tayo sa paglilingkod, kaya kahit sa labas ng simbahan, naglilingkod tayo. Humindi tayo to all occasions of sin, kaya we enjoy graces from God. Whenever we are asked to respond or promise something, more than giving our response, yes or no to it, may we see ourselves not only responding to it, but see ourselves living with it, bearing the courage to what we have responded. Let us mean what we say and live what we say.